Good morning. I have a package I had today. I wanted to show you this. It comes in a really nice box actually. It's a little knob that you fit onto your steering wheel of the car. Just open the flap there where it says tight, and it's a lovely little box. This knob is good for beginners or anyone that just wants that extra bit of help with the steering wheel. So you have a piece of rubber which does fit inside this to clamp onto the steering wheel better. You undo the clamp and then you just pose this knob where you want it to be. So when you're reversing, you can just grab the knob, turn the steering wheel around, back up again. If you just want that bit of extra help with the steering wheel, this is perfect. And it looks so good. Look at that, that is beautiful polished. That is really, it looks like wood, it is really nice. And the chrome part as well, the clamp, looks really good, all highly polished. Very, very nice looking thing. This, I would venture to say, would be great for the more elderly people as well, and the ones starting out. So it could be like a whole range of people that is good, useful. But it just looks so nice anyway. I would definitely use that in my car. It's really nice. So there you go. This little knob, you just fit it onto your steering wheel. So you can grab it and turn the wheel with just one hand, where you got the safety of this knob, which is great to hold. It fits perfectly into the hand. Very, very nice. Thank you for watching. Bye now.